scalp. Other than that, you don't notice anything. The time flies. Probably fell asleep and talked in my sleep a lot. Yeah, I'm very happy. Absolutely.
And has it made a difference?
Yes, people, my friends have noticed, people have noticed, clients have noticed. It just seems to fill in your face better for an overall improvement.
Are you glad you did the procedure?
Absolutely. I'm going to do it again.
So Robbie is going to do a second procedure to cover the areas that were not covered off on the first transplant. What would you say to them?
Come in for a consultation. It's completely painless. Well, not completely painless. What people ask me if it was painful, and the only time that it was is when the needles go in to numb the scalp. Other than that, you don't notice anything. The time flies. Probably fell asleep and talked in my sleep a lot.
So let's have a look at the hairline in a bit more detail. Chin up a bit more. So you can see the hairline here is completely natural. It's high density.